Welcome! In front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on the watch, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the ROGBID application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the application and the iPhone to send the notifications to our watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. Let me actually close them and open them again, like this. Once you're on the main page of settings, scroll down to the list of applications, and on this list find the application called ROGBID. Tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and also tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once the both options are enabled, go back to the home or rather main page of settings, then scroll all the way up and tap on the Bluetooth option. Here you should see the S2 device on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, and on this page make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it is, close the settings, and now we can open the ROGBID application on our iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app you can tap on the device icon right here and then select notifications. And once you open this page, you can enable and disable notifications for different things. We can enable and disable the notifications for the phone calls, messages, and also specific apps like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, and stuff like that. If you don't see the application right here on the list, you can enable the option called Others. And if you enable this option, it will basically enable notifications for every app on your iPhone. And once you're done customizing this, you can close the application, and you should be able to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. For some reason I didn't receive it. Let's try quickly turning on the Do Not Disturb and turning it off, and try again. This time we got the notification on our phone, and also we got them on our watch. As you can see, quite few notifications. And we can wake up the screen on our watch. We can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the messages, and here we have the list of our notifications, as you can see, and we can tap on them to read them. We can tap on clear all to clear them, and I think you can tap on one and tap on the pen icon to clear only one, like this. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.